Beginner drummers of YouTube, today you're going to learn some fun grooves. What's up everyone, CJ here, hope you're all doing well. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes when I look at some beginner drum grooves videos or in books for beginners, the grooves are always kinda meh. It's not that they're bad, not at all, but once you've learned the basics, they're just not interesting anymore. But as luck would have it, in this video I'm gonna do my best to teach you beginner drummers out there some grooves of a more interesting nature. Before we get started, all my channel members out there can download everything from this lesson via the link in the members community tab. So if you want some extra bonus content, consider joining the channel membership. Now, let's take a look at the first groove. This first groove fits really nicely with hip-hop or lo-fi beats, since we're blending a straight groove with triplets, so you're getting that pushing, pulling feel in the groove. If we look at the transcription, it's exactly like a standard groove, with the bass drum on 1 and 3 and the snare drum on 2 and 4. However, you play 8th note triplets on the hi-hat on beat 2. Let's break it down slowly at first and gradually speed it up. Alright guys, that was the first groove. Let's move on to groove number 2. Okay, this is the groove that I played at the start of this video. This groove is really simple. It's just a two-handed 16th note groove, but you play the end of every beat on a stack. Of course, if you don't have a cymbal stack, you can instead slightly open the hi-hat and play the ands as an accented note. Let's try it out at a slow tempo and gradually speed it up. This groove is simple but tricky at the same time for beginners. I call this groove rushing the 3 because we're playing a standard groove. However, we are playing an open hi-hat together with the bass drum on the of beat 2, making it feel like we're rushing beat 3. Let me show you the groove at a slow tempo and see if you can spot what's happening. As you can see, I'm closing the hi-hat right on beat 3, and then I catch the beat again with my right hand on the and of 3. As I said, this creates a really cool rushing, pulling feel to the groove. So let's try it a little bit faster. Alright guys, we're moving on to groove number 4, so make sure you're a subscriber before this video ends. This next groove utilizes broken 16th note patterns as well as open hi-hats, so you get a really cool funky rock groove. The bass drum plays on beat 1 and 3, the snare drum on 2 and 4, and the hi-hat goes 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and, with an open hi-hat on the and of 3. Let's try it out. Okay guys, time for the last groove. Last up in this lesson is a classic tom groove. It doesn't matter how many toms you've got, at least you need a floor tom. You play eighth notes on the floor tom, and the bass drum plays on beat 1 and beat 3 and. The snare drum plays on beat 2 and 4, and then you move that hand to the of 2 and the E of 3 to any tom of your choosing. If you don't use any rack toms, you can just play it on the floor tom. Alright guys, for the last time in this lesson, let's try it out. Lastly, as soon as you've learned all of these grooves, I want you to challenge yourself by playing all of these grooves one after another for 4 bars each. Well done, my friends. That's going to wrap it up for this lesson. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated whenever I release a new video. If you want to check out more beginner-friendly drum lessons, you can check out my playlist right up here. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and good luck with your drumming. I'll see you soon.